Hola, hola mi gente, this is KQ3Q. I'm at park number US 0007 and that is Biscayne National Park. I will be activating starting in 15 meters and hopefully I'll be able to get contacts on that band. The band have been pretty bad the past few days, but I heard 15 meters is open right now, so hopefully I'll be lucky enough before propagation changes. This video is catered to those who are learning CW and are looking for videos to listen and copy random call signs. When I edit my video, I'll be playing the call sign 3 times. The first 2 times you'll have the opportunity to copy the call sign, and the 3rd time when I play it, I'll be showing on the screen the call sign. Anyway, I would like to thank my coffee buddies. I recently have some donations and I greatly appreciate it. I'm very humble and I want to thank you again for your donations. Well, hopefully next week I'll be getting my new mast. It's a 10-meter mast, so when I get it I'll show it to you. Hopefully I'll be able to manage a longer mast. I have a 4-meter mast and I do really need a higher mast than the one that I'm using right now. Anyway, I'm going to call QRL and hopefully I'll be able to activate this park. And I hope that you enjoy my videos. Please subscribe, like, make comments.